From United Nations Television, this is UN in Action.
South African Justin van der Walt regrets his wayward past.
When I was 15, my father passed away. And later on, I obviously realized that I could have spent a bit more time with him rather than being a delinquent.
After his father died, he decided to get serious. Then something terrible happened.
I had a motorcycle accident. Lost about 70% of the use of my arm.
Worried about his future, Justin's mother made a decision that changed his life. She enrolled him in a computer course.
I passed the course. I just worked on my own computers.
Repairing his own computers boosted Justin's confidence. Soon he found himself working as a freelancer for small businesses.
Made enough money to keep on to buy food and bread and milk, but it wasn't really. It was just keeping me going.
Justin's big break came one day while he was cruising through his neighborhood. He saw computer equipment in a warehouse and decided to introduce himself to the owner.
There was a lot of monitors and stuff in his warehouse. He asked me if I can repair computers. I said yes, I can, and he subcontracted me to repair his computers.
Today, at 26 years of age, Justin is the proud owner of Just PCs, a company in Cape Town, South Africa. Focused on diverting e-waste, or electronic waste, targeted for dump sites, Just PCs refurbishes computers. As well as running a profitable business, Justin is helping South Africa to reduce the 100,000 tons of e-waste produced annually.
E-waste is not simply something we should turn our eyes away from and ignore.
Akim Steiner is head of the United Nations Environment Program, UNEP.
It is a mountain that is building up across the planet.
Justin and a group of pioneering creative thinkers formed the E-Waste Alliance to raise awareness in communities. This initiative is bringing jobs to the country's unemployed, like 23-year-old Pulani Silvana. He started at Just PCs cleaning computers. Now he's fixing them. But his dream is much bigger.
One day I want to own my own business. At the moment, I'm still saving money.
But refurbishing is only one part of the solution. More needs to be done to curb e-waste globally, says Susan Ditke, head of the Alliance.
I think people have to actually look through this nonsense and stop to buy things they don't need with money they don't have.
In the meantime, other members of the Alliance are using e-waste as a resource for manufacturing, like this roof tile factory.
They take the plastics and mix it with other plastics and make tiles for econo housing, for the low income housing. It's actually cheaper than normal roof tiles.
And young South Africans are also benefiting from Justin's efforts. At internet cafes installed in townships across Cape Town, children are using computers initially thrown out as garbage.
The aim of these internet business cafes is to get the computers to the people that need them the most, that cannot afford a new computer.
Helping to set up internet cafes is Justin's way to give back to society and keep his country free of e-waste. This report was produced by Mary Ferreira for the United Nations.